Cars. That's the most important thing in marketing and auto repair shops, in my opinion. And that's the first thing that's going to determine how successful we are, is whether we're growing cars. We hired her in August of 2019, so I'm going to give you some June numbers and July numbers just for comparison's sake. June of 2019, 168 cars. June of 20, 305 cars. 168 to 305. Then July of 2019, 194 cars. So far, today is the 27th of July, so 7/20. We did 274 cars so far. We're going to do about another 50 this week. So by the end of the week, we should be at 324 cars. So 194 to 324. That is huge. I attribute a lot of that to her marketing prowess and what she does. She does a lot with our customer retention management, answering and responding to reviews, taking care of just basically everything, direct mail. I can't even think of all the things that she does, and there's additional things where we have certain things that pop up, or seasonal type of things, these random things that pop up in my head that I decide, oh, you know what, let me call Carrie Lynn and see what she wants to do with this. She just handles all of it. She's got a great team there, always answers the phone, always gets things done on time. She's just great. Their company is great. They do a great job for us. And if you're looking for somebody that can take 100% of your marketing needs and deal with it on their plate instead of you, I'm not a marketing professional, so it really helps me focus on the things that I'm good at, and then she focuses and her team focuses on the things that they're really good at. So if you're looking for somebody that can take care of your marketing responsibilities 100%, I really recommend her. And if you want to get in touch with me or ask any questions, you can get a hold of me, Mason at GulfBreezeAutomotive.com, or Mason Bragg on Facebook. Find me on there, friend me on there, send me a message. More than happy to relay or respond to any questions that you guys might have before you hire up. You guys have a great day.